Which type of industries heads have come to the meeting, sir? Is there any?
All manufacturing industries, information technology, economic, electronic components,
Okay.
and what we'll call infrastructure sector, energy. All types of industries came to that meeting, and the government assured them we will give.
And yeah, it has been in a positive way. It seems,
Yes, the government said we will give stable policy. Stable policy means that when the policy is made, it will be continued at least for 5 to 10 years. Earlier, the policy was every year the budget used to change the policy itself. So, because of that, every budget used to be either loss or gain to entrepreneurs. But because of shifting of policy, budget-based policies, now this long-term based policies has been came into effect from 91 onwards. So, these policies, because of these long-term policies, just small changes only, administration changes, but not policies continue. That is giving stable policies, encouraging the entrepreneurs with positive attitude. Means instead of suspecting the businessmen, the government is respecting them. Is the most important that the change happened. And also the government assured that the government will work faster, will work fast, and to clarify many things, and to give whatever any suggestion immediately, and also any advice also, policy clearance also, everything very fast. And this India's prosperity, why? Because India's prosperity is for the welfare of the entire world, not only for India, the entire world. If India prospers, world also will become prosperous. This is the opinion and of the government. And next one, facilitate. The Prime Minister asked the entrepreneurs
yes, sir.
to will the government to facilitate everything for the convenience of entrepreneurs, but the entrepreneurs has to assure them, promise them to that they will innovate new things, and the government will have assured that the government will ensure reform, and the entrepreneurs should ensure promise the performance.
They have said that the Bharat is the biggest landmark for the possibility of anything, it seems.
Yes, and also said stable policy and positive side means the government is thinking, encouraging them. The entrepreneurs should become positive in a direction and focus on high growth, high quality, better performance. This is the most important thing. Is target given by the government to the entrepreneurs. And they also advise the private entities, need not be government, but private entities should work with the government for Viksit Bharat. And also he should also advise them, the government and the entrepreneurs has to write many success stories. And India is a place of possibilities, place of opportunities. And the government respects the wealth creators. The most powerful message given by the government to the entrepreneurs. Generally, rich people means people earlier they were treated as enemies of the nation, or not. They were treated as with suspicion. But this government said having wealth, having rich people with the right source of income, or ethical business is allowed and permitted, encouraged. And if any creation of wealth, mobilization of wealth with wrong way or unethical way, illegal way is to be punished. So earlier, what we have seen is any person who is having wealth are treated are seen as with suspicion. But now the entrepreneurs are treated with respect.
And what was the economic growth of all this, sir?
I told you, 2014 India was 10th rank. Now India has become to reach to 5th rank. So this is the development happened. And in many sectors, especially because of government concentration infrastructure sector, the companies cannot do infrastructure development because they cannot do that, and also they will not be having that much of financial resources and also government support. So for this, the government said government itself has taken the steps to improve the infrastructure, maybe transport, power, communication, energy, all these sectors has been improved by the government. That is facilitating the business entrepreneurs to improve the turnovers, improve the productivity, improve their marketing opportunities, and also to improve their financial gains. And this, what they said is, the entrepreneur should work for innovation, inclusion, and for international cooperation. Means India is not only for India, Indians should work not only for Indians, but also for whole world. And also advise that those who are settled outside India also can contribute to the India for Indian development by transferring technology, investment, or sometimes management advice also they can contribute. So what he said is, let us work together for the development of Indian economy. And one more thing he said is, India's prosperity lies with the prosperity of the world. This assurance given. And next one is, these are the things, positive things as assured to the entrepreneurs, economic sectors, industries, investors, that India is going to facilitate every required facility to the entrepreneurs to create wealth, to create employment, to generate employment opportunities, to improve the productivity, to improve the quality, and to improve the quantity, and to reach the customers with communication, marketing information, reliable information.
Yeah.
And next, digital payments has made
Yes.
the transactions fast. And the e-marketing, e-commerce companies made the business itself is fast from consumer, producer to consumers. All these are digitalization and administration is reducing the time gap between the entrepreneurs' complaints and acceptance. So automatic system is improving, faceless is improving, clarification is required. Advanced ruling mechanism was not there, but now the government has introduced advanced ruling mechanism also, authority for advanced ruling. Suppose I want to do business in this way, I don't know whether it's taxable or not, at what rate is taxable. So I can write to the government that I want to do business in this way. What is the tax liability for me? Then the government will come forward and will advise him, you are doing this business and you are liable at this rate of tax. So this advanced ruling mechanism is also coming. Dispute resolving mechanisms, so that instead of going for long judicial battle, they can settle the issue on the table. And one more thing is, best thing was happened was uniformity in implementation, equality in implementation, is motivating the entrepreneurs to take decisions to improve their activities, and all these are helping for economic development.
Are they I mean, will they reach the target, sir?
Yes,
All
by 2047, India expected with this speed, the same speed is continued, the same motivation is continued without disturbance.
Okay.
I don't think by 2047 we can achieve the target by 5 years early itself. 2040 or 2042 we can reach the status of Viksit Bharat. What is Viksit Bharat? Many people say, what is Viksit Bharat?
This is about, yes, sir.
I personally feel all Indians should be able to pay income tax.
Okay.
Means those who are earning more than 7 lakhs, they have to pay income tax. So what I wish is, according to me, for in a Viksit Bharat, every Indian should earn more than 7 lakhs.
Okay.
So that he has to pay income tax. So all Indians should become income tax payers.
I mean, in the bank account, sir, or
Income tax payments.
income tax payment?
If only you earn more than 7 lakhs, you have to pay tax. If don't earn, you will not pay tax. What I am saying is, you become a taxpayer, means you should earn more than 7 lakhs.
More than 7 lakhs.
All India should like that. So if that is achieved, it will be easy. Of course, at present, many people are there super rich. But the gap between the rich and poor is widening. Because of poor, what is happening? Because of earlier opportunity was not there, education was not there, communication was not there, transportation was not there. Now everything is improved. Now it is for the people to accept the opportunity and utilize the opportunity for their benefit.
Yes.
It is not that everything should be given by the government as a freebie or something like that. Everyone should earn for themselves and live for themselves with self-respect and is self-sufficient, and should be in a position to contribute for the development of the nation, contribute for the revenue of the nation, and contribute something for the nation instead of expecting from the government.
Yes.
So everyone should become giver, but not the taker. That should be the end result of Viksit Bharat by 2047.